This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your phone has enough battery and a stable connection. This prevents interruptions. Once logged into Coindcx, navigate directly to Security and choose two-factor authentication. Make sure Google Authenticator is installed. If not, install it now and open it. You will see an option to add an account, tap the plus, or scan QR code. Pause here only to allow the camera permission. This step links the app to your Coindcx account and is required to proceed. You should now scan the QR code shown by Coindcx using Google Authenticator. This automatically creates a timed code. If scanning fails, copy the manual setup key into the Authenticator app by choosing manual entry and pasting the key. Very important, write down the backup/seed key on paper and store it offline. This lets you recover access if you lose your phone. Once the account appears in the app, wait until a fresh 6-digit code generates before continuing. You finish by entering the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Coindcx and submitting to verify the link. After successful verification, make sure your recovery key is safely stored and then perform one test logout and log in to confirm 2FA works. If the code is rejected, check that your phone clock is set to automatic network time and resynchronize. Time drift is the most common issue. Once confirmed, your Coindcx account is secured with time-based two-factor authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.